Today, we're up for another tutorial. Tuturuan ko kayo kung paano i-play yung Cups When I'm Gone by Anna Kendrick gamit ang Enya ukulele natin. Meron lang tayong 4 na basic chords, guys. So, ang mga gagamitin, C, A minor, F, and G. Sa first 2 lines ng song, yung magiging pattern is strum, tap, tap, strum, tap, tap, tap. Magsi-strum ka lang sa strings. And then, dito sa may bandang baba ng ukulele nyo, you're going to tap twice muna. And then, another strum, tap, tap, tap. Okay, ulit. Strum, tap, tap, strum, tap, tap, tap. Kung pagsasabay na sila, then it should sound like this. I got my ticket for the long way run. 2 bottle whiskey for the way. Next 2 lines is downstroke lang naman. So, ilalagay ko na lang siya sa screen. And I would like some sweet company. And I'm leaving tomorrow, what you say? This is my favorite part, guys. So, yung magiging pattern dito is down, up, down, up, down, up. If we're going to make it slower, down, up, down, up, down, up. Kung kakantahin na siya, it should sound like this. When I'm gone, when I'm gone, you're gonna miss me when I'm gone. Sa next line, ayoko nang i-explain. Ilalagay ko na lang sa screen kasi nahirapan ako. So, you're gonna miss me by my head. After nun, downstroke lang sa F chord. You're gonna miss me everywhere. Oh. Sa last part, if I-flash ko na lang sa screen. You're gonna miss me when I'm gone. I hope na nag-guess nyo, guys. Kung may mga tanong kayo, i-comment nyo lang below. That's it. Happy learning!